have a long list of goals, desires, and wants for your life? Do you want to learn more, earn more, and improve your skills? Get the most out of relationships, live better. Well, here is the truth that most people never tell you. You can't do everything at the same time, and trying to do everything at once is exactly where most people never achieve anything big. Today, I'm going to share with you one of the most powerful lessons from the book Do It Today by Darius Forex. And that lesson is the power of compounding. So you just stay with me because this one will change the way you think about success forever. So here is what most of us do. We make a big list of goals. We want to get fit, learn a new skill, start a business, read more books, improve relationships, save money, but we want to do all at the same time. And what happens? We end up doing a little bit of everything and a whole lot of nothing. Because when your attention is divided, your results are divided too. Many successful people have said in their own words, you succeed at anything wherever you had narrowed down your concentration to one thing. Real success is sequential, not simultaneous. That means you finish one thing, then move to the next. One skill at a time, one project at a time, one goal at a time. And over the time, these small wins just stack up into something truly extraordinary. Now, let me tell you about compounding, a very, very powerful force. Most people think compounding only applies to money, but it applies to everything. Your skills compound, your habits compound, your health compound, your relationships compound. You just take the example of Warren Buffett. He's one of the greatest investors of all time. Here's the most shocking fact about him. He built 99% of his wealth after the age of 50. Not because he suddenly gets smarter, but because he stayed consistent years after years, decades after decades. And compounding did the rest of the work. The same works for you, for me, and for anybody else. You do not build a strong body in a week. You can't master a skill in a month. You do not build a successful career in a year. It all takes time and consistent effort every single day. There are no shortcuts, no matter how smart you are or how hard you hustle. So here is your takeaway from today. If you want to see the power of compounding, how it works in your own life, just do two things. First one is pick one thing and focus on it completely. Second is stop looking for quick results. Trust the process, play the long game. Because here is the truth, you will get there. If you keep on showing up, you definitely are going to reach there. It doesn't matter. It takes 1 year, 20 years, eventually it will happen. So stop trying to do everything. Start doing one thing really well every single day and let compounding do the magic for you. So I'm Arshia and this was your Inside Out for today. See you in the next one. Keep going, stay focused and always believe in yourself. Thank you.